you doing? This is Ricky here from Boom Racing. I'm just here to show you a brand new product that we have just come out with, and it is a tool-free aluminum quick release latch for the BRX01 that we have just launched. And in this kit you will receive a like a little latch system. So there's two locking pins. Actually, let me take this apart just to show you. So you get this little piece here, and then you get the locking pins. You get two of them, and the actual handle piece that you actually slot in afterwards. You get a M2.5 screw with a spring, and then you also get two little M2 Grub screws. I don't know if you can see them. And you also get the tool to actually tighten these Grub screws with. And just a quick demonstration on how quick and easy this is to replace. And to start with, a lot of people that do have the BRX01 obviously know that we use a screw system at the minute to undo the front end. So when you're out on the trail, sometimes you think this is quite fiddly, so we come up with this system which is a lot easier. So normally you would unscrew the screws, not all the way, just unscrew them a little bit, and then you lift the body up. But with this new system, we are looking to get this mechanism working a lot quicker. So put them aside. So what you obviously will need is an like a 3mm hex. And to start out with, I find it easier if you turn it upside down. You place this piece into this location, and then you feed the two locking pins through the holes. Make sure you line up the actual ground piece. You feed it in, like so. And it sits like that. And then you simply get this handle piece and slide it in. So once you've slid that in, get your spring and your M2 screw, M2.5. Feed the spring through, place it through the middle where the hole is. Obviously, got to have everything lined up. And then 2.0, just screw this down until this is just level with the actual handle piece. So then you can still put it. So once you've actually come to this stage, you want to flip it back over and use the tool as provided and the grub screw, and screw the grub screw in from the top. Right, give it a little nip, and then that will prevent your screw from backing out and losing it on the trail. Maybe give it a little nip just to tighten everything back up. You get one grub screw that's a spare, so in case you do end up losing this grub screw. But yeah, that shouldn't happen. I mean, if you want it to be even more secure, put a bit of Loctite on it, that would help. And with this system, it's quite simple. You just put the body back on, turn it up, give it a push, and it's locked down. So to release it, you just pull the little tab and then pick it back up. So it's a quite simple upgrade. Line up, give it a push. Don't hold on to the bottom when you're pushing it, otherwise it won't release the locking system. So when you're pulling it, pull the latch, it'll release it. So you're literally pulling this piece here. and it retracts the 2 little pins that are there. So when you're literally out on the trail, you want a quick battery change, you just literally get to your truck, pull this little handle, lift up, change your battery, put it down, give it a little push, and it's all locked down. That's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and this little tutorial on how to actually install this quick release locking mechanism. And hopefully there'll be plenty more upgrades to come for this new truck. So hope you enjoyed this video. Take care. See you soon.